Hello everyone, hello NOSET aspirants. I am Jaspreet Kaur. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So basically हम NOSET एग्ज़ाम की बात कर रहे हैं इस चैनल में. We know that NOSET एग्ज़ाम में मेजर पोर्शन आता है हमारे मेडिकल सर्जिकल नर्सिंग का, राइट. मेडिकल सर्जिकल नर्सिंग मेजॉरिटी पोर्शन हर नर्सिंग एग्ज़ाम का कवर करता है. जो हमारी अब प्लेलिस्ट आएगी सब्सिक्वेंट वीडियोस में, उसमें हम कौन से सब्जेक्ट को हम मेन फोकस रखेंगे, मेडिकल सर्जिकल नर्सिंग को, ठीक है. जो आज की वीडियो है इट इज़ रिगार्डिंग द सर्जिकल सेफ्टी चेकलिस्ट. सर्जिकल सेफ्टी चेकलिस्ट हमारा मेन टॉपिक है आज का. वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग कि व्हाट दिस टॉपिक इज़ अबाउट. इस टॉपिक में से क्या क्या पूछा जा सकता है एंड हाउ द क्वेश्चंस आर बीइंग फॉर्मुलेटेड. फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट सर्जिकल सेफ्टी चेकलिस्ट होती क्या है. बेसिकली सर्जिकल सेफ्टी चेकलिस्ट एक 19 आइटम टूल है जो बिफोर, ड्यूरिंग और आफ्टर सर्जरी में फॉलो किया जाता है. इसमें वो आइटम्स हैं विच आर टेकन इनटू कंसिडरेशन बिफोर सर्जरी, ड्यूरिंग सर्जरी एंड आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ द सर्जरी. So who gave this checklist? This surgical safety checklist was given by World Health Organization. First thing. Second thing, आपको लर्न करना है दैट इसमें कितनी आइटम्स हैं. 19 आइटम्स हैं. हाउ मेनी आइटम्स? 19 आइटम्स. It has got 19 items. So if we talk about the first component before induction of anesthesia. Anesthesia induce करने से पहले क्या क्या आइटम्स हैं which have to be followed. First thing is that it is called as sign in. It is called as sign in. इसमें जो भी आइटम्स आती हैं वो कैटेगराइज होती हैं एक हेडिंग के अंदर, दैट इज साइन इन. इट इज डन बिफोर द इंडक्शन ऑफ एनेस्थीसिया. सेकेंड इज कौन सा हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशनल तब प्रेजेंट होना चाहिए. फर्स्ट द नर्सिंग स्टाफ एंड द एनेस्थीजियोलॉजिस्ट, दोनों वहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होने चाहिए ना. कौन सी आइटम है जो इसमें फॉलो होती है. फर्स्ट इज we have to confirm the identity of the patient, site, procedure and consent. We have to correctly identify the patient, we have to correctly identify the site of the surgery, the incision site and the consent. Very important. ये first item में ये check किया जाता है. Second is the site marked? जिस site का surgery है, is it marked properly? Yes or no? Third is the anesthesia machine working and the medication check is complete? This is the next item. Is the pulse oximeter functioning properly or not? This is also to be checked. Is the patient having any known allergy? They mark it yes or no. Is there any surgery? Is there any allergy which the patient is having? Is marked under this item. Difficult airway or aspiration risk? No or yes. Next item is there a risk of blood loss greater than 500 ml in adults and 7 ml per kg in children? This is to be checked, and yes, we should have at least 2 IVs या फिर एक central SS. ठीक है, या तो 2 IVs कैनुलास होने चाहिए पेशेंट के या फिर एक central SS होनी चाहिए so that the fluids can be given along with the medication or as per the requirement. Next is before the skin incision. ये कौन सी items होती हैं? They are categorized as time out. They are categorized as time out. And when these items are being cross-checked, a nurse, a surgeon and an anesthesiologist has to be present in the site. So now what is being considered under this head? We have to confirm the team members. They have introduced them by their name and their job. What duty they are going to perform at the time of surgery, it is to be confirmed. Confirm the patient name, procedure and where the incision will be made. This is a point of consideration in this. Next is क्या patient को antibiotic prophylaxis दिया गया in the last 60 minutes or not? This is a very important question. That when the antibiotic prophylaxis is given at the time of surgery before 60 minutes. ठीक है. Next is, what are the anticipated critical events? What are the expected events that can occur when the surgery is being performed? क्या क्या हो सकता है? To surgeon, anticipated critical events for the surgeon कौन से हैं? What are the critical and the non-routine steps? How long the surgery will take place? And what is the anticipated blood loss? These are the items which are to be considered by a surgeon. ठीक है? कितना ब्लड लॉस होगा, कितना ड्यूरेशन लगेगा सर्जरी में, ये हम किस में चेक कराते हैं? टाइम आउट में. नेक्स्ट इज टू एनेस्थीजियोलॉजिस्ट. इज देयर एनी पेशेंट स्पेसिफिक कंसर्न्स? जैसे कि क्या पेशेंट को कोई कोमॉर्बिडिटी है? दिस इज अ कंसर्न फॉर द एनेस्थीजियोलॉजिस्ट. नेक्स्ट इज टू द नर्सिंग टीम. इज द स्टर्लिटी of the field ensured? This is a responsibility of the nursing personnel. Next is, are the equipment issues or any other concerns which can arise during the surgery? They have to be taken care of by the nursing staff. Next is the essential imaging displayed? Yes or no? Wherever it is applicable, it is to be noted. Last is, before the patient leaves the operating room. Before the patient leaves the operating room, this is categorized as sign out. Sign out. जो ये सारी items इसमें है, ये किस कैटेगरी में आती है? साइनिंग आउट में. ठीक है? यहाँ पे एक nurse, anesthesiologist and a surgeon all have to be present. Only in the sign in time we should have a nurse and an anesthesiologist. In the other two items, a surgeon also has to be present. Nurse will verbally confirm the name of the procedure, the completion of the instrument, sponge and needle counts. This is very important. When the needle count is done, कब किया जाता है? When the needle count is done, it is done at the time of signing out, when the patient is going to leave the operating room. This is very important. Specimen labeling is done here, and whether there were any equipment related problems, it has to be addressed during the signing out phase. And to the surgeon, anesthesiologist and the nurse, what are the key concerns for the recovery and the management of the patient is also discussed when the patient is going to leave the operating room. So now this is a very important topic. You should know what items are considered under the signing in, what all have to be learned under the signing out, and time out. There is nothing like time in, because this is a major tool from where the question will be asked. All are a part of surgical safety checklist except is time in. We only have sign in, not time in under this checklist. This is very important. You should know when they are going to count the needles, the gauze. It is counted under the signing out phase, right? When they are going to confirm is the patient having any known allergy, it is being checked under signing in before inducing the anesthesia to the patient. So I hope this topic was clear, because we very briefly we have discussed this topic, and for your better learning experiences, at the end of this video in the description box we have posted a free quiz on this specific topic along with the e-notes. So please attempt that quiz so that you could know that how much you have learned from this video, and the e-notes are readily available for everyone to have access. So please do like my video, share my video, and please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Stay tuned for the next videos.